Hey guys, today we're gonna be doing mail time. Also, I'm gonna be posting an Ample Jam music video soon, so I will hope you enjoy. It's gonna be difficult also, cause I don't like a lot of music nowadays, so I'm gonna just find a band or singer that I really enjoy listening to and just make an Ample Jam music video out of that. Anyway, let's get started with mail time. So, yeah. Um, also, um, on Instagram, I am about 70 pros away from being 1K, and that's when I'll do a face reveal. Also, if I get 100 subscribers, I'll probably start doing a webcam. So, yeah. Um, and thanks so much for the gifts, guys. I really appreciate it, and I'm sorry I haven't been posting lately. I've been stressed. I've been really stressed with school, and I'm also getting bullied, so yeah. And also, I forgot. This person scammed me a few days ago. Don't send donations. I didn't lose anything important to me. All I lost was a rare item Monday. So don't send any gifts. Well, for mail time you can, but don't send donations at all. Plus, tonight there is going to be an update. So polar bears are coming tonight, guys. Polar bears. Huh. Also, have you ever noticed that now after 4 days without being on, the user just grays out? That's annoying in my opinion. Really annoying. I hate it. I can't stand it. I really want Animal Jam to remove that right now. I'm not kidding. I hate it so much. But yeah, I don't know really what else to say. But yeah, I think it's annoying with this, you know. But yeah, I hope they remove it soon, or else I'm gonna go insane. Plus, I'm gonna probably I don't know. I'm not gonna quit. I'm thinking about it. Best chances I'm not. But the reason why is because of all the stress and stuff, you know? And so, yeah. I, yeah, we did a gifting war a week ago. And I'm gonna, yeah. But we did a gifting war, and it was called the Friends Before Riz Gifting War. I sent her pretty good stuff. She doesn't have the best stuff, but I'm gonna probably start giving her good, better stuff. I'm gonna send her stuff right now, but I don't. I know her account password, and I just don't want to go on her account right now. I don't know. I'm gonna be buddies with her later, and whoa, that was major lag. But yeah, thank you all for the gifts, and I don't know what else really to say. Sorry, I keep doing that stuff. Well, just blanking out. I'm just don't know really what else to say. But thanks so much for supporting me, guys. You know? So that's pretty much the end of mail time, and plus, thank you all for these wonderful gifts. Don't worry, I sent that to everyone. Okay? Also, I got a beta tiara for my beta blanket. I heard they were the glitch rings, so... And plus, I got a pink long for it also, so... Yeah. I'm kind of glad. And I'm in the gym session party. But anyway, thank you all for watching, whoever is watching this. And I'll try to post more often. Probably the next video I post will either be mail time, something random, or an Animal Jam music video. I probably won't have an Animal Jam music video up for another month, but I'm trying to figure out what to put, what music to put in, what thing on the computer that I can use, you know. But anyway, thank you for watching, and thank you so much for 20 subscribers. I'm gonna probably do a giveaway at 100 subscribers, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye.